My question is, how does your framework address the digital divide? What is your recommendation for educators in region with limited technological access to begin integrating AI into their chemistry teaching?
Okay, thank you, Dr. Chandra, for the questions. First of all, let me confirm something. Are you talking about like how we integrate AI in the rural area, something like that, or yeah, it's a little bit challenging actually because what I have been talking so far is like in this situation or in the condition, if what is it like the internet connection or like the use of mobile phone is really common. But then sometimes even in my experience, as usually uh, I go to school where like they don't really have much technology to use. So I think, I mean, we have to like come back to traditional or like conventional approach. But then still we as a teacher or we as educator partner to brainstorm to get idea on how we can teach chemistry on any other science with the limited access of technology, something like or internet or like mobile phone, something like that. So yeah, I mean, we can still use AI or brainstorm with AI on how, I mean, if we provide this tool with the situation that we face is challenging without, the presence of internet or mobile phone. So how can we still teach, for example, a specific topic, something like that? Hopefully it answers your questions.
Okay, thank you so much, Dr. Very insightful. Okay, the other participant, you can ask Dr. Musan. We have the 5 minutes to Q&A. Okay, nobody. Okay, thank you so much, Dr. Musan. Give applause for Dr. Musan. Okay, now we will transition into the second part of session. Okay. As I mentioned at the beginning, we will process in the group of three. I will introduce the three speakers of the first group. They will present one after the other. After the third presentation, we will open the floor for a joint Q&A session with all the three speakers. For the first presentation, I hope Prof. Sri Rahayu for abstract ID 23.
Yes, I am.
And number two presenter is Prof. Sri Rahayu, the abstract ID abstract 2. And the third is Reza Akbar. Okay, Prof. Sri Rahayu.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Prof. Sri Rahayu.
Which slideshow? You or me?
Okay, the operator, please help Ratna to slideshow the presentation.